Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're unboxing 20 it's this way and we'll be unboxing 20 of these, actually 19. I may have accidentally unboxed one. I was way too eager to see what it looked like, and it's right here. So I guess we'll be unboxing 19 Apple Watches. So let's get on with the video. Here I have Apple Watch numero uno. I'll be showing y'all in real life video of how I open this. And then for the other ones, I'm just gonna zoom through and show y'all how I open those. I just finished unboxing Apple Watch number 1. Now I'm going to show y'all how I unbox the other Apple Watches, but this time I'm going to show y'all in hyperlapse so you won't get too bored.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow.
guys so much for watching my video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time. Bye!